In front of me is ULEFONE Power Armor 18, and today I would like to show you how you can activate and use keyboard Clipboard. You need to begin by going into your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top. If you can't find it, select those three dots instead. Look for it over here and click on it, or hold it and drag it to the top. Wherever you decided, when you're ready to activate your clipboard, use this switcher at the top right corner. As you can see, mine is activated. To use it, you need to copy or cut any text. Click on clipboard, and to paste it, tap on it. In order to pin it one of your saved sentences, hit this pen at the top right corner. Click on the chosen one and tap on the pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete one of your saved sentences, select the one that you wish to delete and click on the bin icon next to the pin one. Lastly, to disable clipboard again, hit this switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!